Bullish Reef money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Reef could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Reef money market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Reef money presentation. This video is exclusively founded on cutting-edge specialized investigation, while additional knowledge into the eventual fate of Reef money was given from calculation stages to cost estimates. There are numerous hypotheses that a great deal of coins will not endure this bear market, and some could come to the opposite end. However, could Reef fund be among the exceptions? What are the future possibilities, and how might we approve its cost activity? What is Reef money? Reef money is a Layer 1 blockchain incorporated convention that was worked to act as a connector for DeFi and NFT clients, subsequently facilitating their development starting with one organization then onto the next. It was likewise made because of the significant expense of exchanges of the Ethereum organization to go about as a superior elective that gives a consistent encounter to clients. They fabricated Reef with substrate structure, an organization that goes for the gold and offers lower exchange expenses and organization security, to have a firm ground in digital currency improvement when Ethereum coordinated DeFi conventions bother with cost charges. The impediments of being a developing venture on Ethereum are so many due to the clog in the organization. However, the commitment of the consolidation guarantees that the expense would be decreased significantly. Reef Finance, which was established in 2019 by Denko Manchesky, an ex-fellow benefactor of Vuli from Macedonia, represents solid, extensible, productive, and quick blockchain. The entrance it gives across all chains incorporates Universe, Torrential Slide, Binance Brilliant Chain, and so on. Reef is an exceptionally novel blockchain item since it gives a component that numerous conventions don't have, which is the capacity for a Reef client to deal with multi-chain tasks from across networks at a lower cost. This particularly helps novices in effectively exploring starting with one organization exchange then onto the next, as expressed by the president Denko Manchesky. Reef Finance is a Layer 1 blockchain based on Polkadot that is likewise viable with the Ethereum virtual machine Brilliant Chain, which the stage is made for simple route of DeFi and NFT. Because of the similarity of the Savvy contract, Ethereum's applications can be moved from its chains to the Reef anchor without chipping away at the strength code structure. The different highlights of the Reef stage that permit it to coordinate the most awesome aspect of DeFi make it an easy-to-understand chain. The many elements remember the movement of its for chain administration. Reef local tokens. On-chain spans for liquidity move among Ethereum and Reef. Worldwide liquidity aggregator. Resource the board item, yield cultivating aggregator, and verification of stake agreement. The on-chain administration explicitly shows that the Reef people group has the independence to pursue choices concerning the development of its organization, subsequently making the local area a functioning organization of clients. Reef money current cost. Reef money is at present worth $0. Reef has moved 5.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $24,551,201. Reef money is right now positioned 314 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $61,159,624 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Reef money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Reef money value expectation 2023. Reef money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Reef cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Reef is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Reef money value forecast 2024. In 2024, Reef money Reef cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Reef will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Reef's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Reef will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Reef money value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Reef might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Reef is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Reef Money Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Reef Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Reef coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Reef will be green in 2026. The Reef is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Reef cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Reef has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Reef figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help Reef needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Expectation 2029. While Reef is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Reef Money Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Reef Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Reef Money Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Reef cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Reef money cost today? Today, Reef Money is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $61,159,624. Is Reef Money a wise venture? Reef Money ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Reef is a decent decision of venture. How high can Reef back go? The typical cost of Reef Money might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Reef Money might outperform 1 cent. What amount will Reef Fund be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of cryptographic money and Reef Money, a drawn-out interest in Reef could see the value ascend to 1 cent inside the following 5 years. What amount will Reef Fund be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Reef Money today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Reef might actually ascend to 3 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Reef Money cost be in 2024? Reef Money cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Reef Money cost be in 2025? Reef Money cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2020.